Today is the last day of the general trout season, and it finally feels like fall. It's really cold today, and I hope we can get some big fish to move on the streamer. So let's get right to the action.
Before we get into the action, real quick, if you guys like free stuff, listen up. My sponsor, River Rod Company, is giving away a Sage Sonic 9-foot 6-weight in this December. All you have to do to sign up for the giveaway is click my link in the description, and it will lead you to his website. And all you have to do is sign up for email newsletter weekly. If you sign up for that, you'll be entered to win, and come December, you'll have a chance at winning a $700 fly rod that is perfect for streamer fishing the Driftless. So make sure to sign up. It's free to enter, and you have a chance at winning that.
Decent. Decent one. Not crazy big. You give me a fight though. Oh yeah. Solid 14-incher. Thick and colored up too. Look at this guy. Mugged in the mouth too. He's just fighting. Fired up. Look at him. Like a steelhead running down river. There we go. Look at that. 15, but just chunky. Look at that thing. First fish of the session here. Look at this guy. Not very long, but a chunky 15-incher. Just super chunky though. Just wanted that meat fly. Had him turn on it, and then I gave him some time, casted back, and he took it. Super fat. This belly is so wide. I don't know if it just got done eating, but these fish are aggressive. Oh, that's decent. That's decent. Actually, never mind. It's decent, but not big. It's colorful and pretty. Now he's all tangled up and chunky.
This fish was a surprise. I was kind of just hitting a spot on the way back right at sunset, so I was not recording on the GoPro, but as you can see, it is a beautiful colored up brown and probably one of the prettiest bigger fish I've caught all fall. Just blew up a fire red sex sponge. I'm gonna take it out of its mouth. Oh, he's fired up. I'm gonna hold on one more time and I'll set him on its way. Look at that fish. Beautiful colors as it's getting dark here. All this crap around us. There he goes. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Not as big, but oh, fun guy. I probably shouldn't at you, but we're a big fish day today. Look at this. Oh, he popped off. Maybe I shouldn't netted him, but still. Nice 13, 14-incher. Oh, that's a decent fish. Oh, I side hooked him, that's why. And it's still a decent fish. There we go. Okay, here we just got the longest fish of the session so far. but easily the skinniest. Nice long 17, almost 18 incher. Super skinny though. I mean, this fish has like no belly, no back, no nothing. I mean, you can see just a scrawny fish, but fought very hard, crushed that barely legal right below it. And I had to work this fish. It was like the 10th cast on the hole, and it's not a big hole, so that aggression, not even, probably not a eat strike, just a predatory, tough, aggressive hit.
The Kelly Galloop, barely legal, that meat fly, I love it for late fall, right before the season closed. That's what I was throwing for most of this video, and the fish loved it. Olive and white, big meat fly, makes them mad, or they want to crush it because they're hungry. Either way, that was what I was having most of my success on. Hooked in this guy. I thought I was recording. I was hopper fishing. I switched to a streamer because the fish were being a little weird. And I hooked like a nice 16 incher. So might stick with the streamer, but I don't got this on my streamer rod. This is my 5-weight, which bends like a 3. So this is why we have a fun fight right now. No, don't go in there. You mother trucker, come over here. You. Look at that. Nice 16, 17 inch, all colored up. Oh yeah. Decent fish. Stop rolling you back. There we go. There we go. That was weird. Thick fish, interesting colors on them too. Just very, very like lower riverish colors, not colored up at all, but nice tiger spots on the top. Beautiful fish. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I appreciate the support, and remember to like and subscribe for weekly videos. I should have a muskie video coming next week and maybe a steelhead one, so change it up a little, but don't worry, trout content will be coming out too. And as the season closes, there's still a few places open, and I do have some saved up content I want to post. So tight lines the rest of the fall as winter arrives here shortly, and get out while you can.